the living area and the dining area, which is right over here. L shape मिल जाएगा आपको kitchen slab और master bedroom is pretty more spacious and the wardrobe. Hello and welcome to Housey, India's only online platform जहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottom-most price guaranteed. Unlike other real estate platforms जहाँ पे जब आप करते हैं एक inquiry और आपको आते हैं multiple calls from multiple brokers, Housey पे ऐसा नहीं होता है. यहाँ पर हम आपका कनेक्ट करवाते हैं सीधे डेवलपर्स के साथ. और आज हाउसी पे मैं एकता कपूर आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ एक बहुत ही ज्यादा अमेजिंग प्रोजेक्ट which is 38 Park Majestic by Majestic Landmarks. Now this is located in Undri and also along with this we also make project overview videos and sample plat videos of multiple projects for you. So if you want to know more about this location or about the project's overview, all you need to do is simply click on the I button for information and we will tell you all about this particular area and the project. Let's proceed towards the sample plat. And here we are in the 913 square feet 3 BHK apartment. Now this is one unit which they have only a couple of units left, but in the new tower they have new units which are going to be of 950 square feet, which will have a little bit of difference जो कि मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ once we get into the house. Let's come inside and let's take a look at it. At the entrance आपको सबसे पहले enter करते ही living room दिखेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. यहाँ पे they've given this wall which can be utilized for storage. And then you enter into the living area and the dining area which is right over here. लिविंग एंड डाइनिंग को सिर्फ बालकनी नहीं बल्कि एक विंडो भी दी गई है ताकि क्रॉस वेंटिलेशन तो होगी, पर उसी के साथ साथ ये पूरी दीवार ऑलमोस्ट ओपन हो जाती है जिसकी वजह से आपको मिलती है काफी सारी लाइटिंग पूरे के पूरे रूम में. ये है आपकी बालकनी जिसमें आपको आ जाएगा वुडन फिनिश सिरेमिक टाइल्स जो कि है एंटी स्किड भी, और उसी के साथ साथ आयरन रेलिंग, और बालकनी आपको मिलेगी एक साइड से कवर्ड भी, और ऊपर से एक हाइट पे जाने के बाद द बालकनी स्टिल स्टेज प्रीटी कवर्ड. नाउ वी गोना एंटर द हाउस अगेन और मैं आपको बता दूं कि जो बेडरूम्स की प्लेसमेंट है वो कैसे होने वाली है. जो आपका 950 स्क्वायर फीट का अपार्टमेंट होगा उसमें one bedroom would be on this side and the others would be clustered in one side, so it would be more like a butterfly concept home. अभी हम चलते हैं इस घर के किचन की तरफ. ये जो किचन है आपका, यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाता है एक अच्छा खासा स्पेस रेफ्रिजरेटर्स के लिए. एल शेप मिल जाएगा आपको किचन स्लैब और उसी के साथ साथ एट द एंड यू विल गेट अ वेजिटेबल सिंक. Now there's a window over here which opens into your dry balcony area right over here, which comes with these design wooden finish tiles which are also anti-skid. Balcony आपको मिल जाएगी कवर और वॉशिंग मशीन का आपको आउटलेट भी मिल जाएगा यहाँ पर. अब हम चलते हैं बाकी के घर की तरफ और तब तक जाते जाते मैं आपको ये भी बता दूं कि ऐसे सैंपल फ्लैट वीडियोस के अलावा हाउसी पे आप देख सकते हैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन टूर्स, project overview videos and pros and cons videos bhi, and a lot more. Now to know more about these videos all you need to do is, as I told you earlier, I button पे आपको करना है क्लिक जिससे आपको मिल जाएंगे सारे के सारे डिटेल्स ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट की हर एक चीज के बारे में, जैसे कि अगर लोकेशन टूर है, प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू है, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया you can always do that. Along with that, one more thing that you have to do is subscribe to the channel and also download the e-brochure which is mentioned right over here in the caption. एक लिंक मेंशन है जिससे आपको करना है क्लिक, जिससे आप रजिस्टर तो हो ही जाएंगे. उसी के साथ साथ आपको मिल जाएगा एक e-brochure जिसमें कि you will get all the details like the pricing, EMI details, down payment details and a lot more. Let's now proceed into the rest of the house. दिस इज योर कॉमन एरिया जहाँ पे हमको इस घर में मिल जाएंगे आपके तीनों बेडरूम्स. पहले कॉमन एरिया देख लेते हैं. यहाँ पे वॉश बेसिन है और उसी के बाजू में आपका वॉशरूम जिसमें आपको मिल जाएंगे एंटी स्किड टाइल्स, वॉल टू वॉल विट्रिफाइड टाइल्स और सीपी सैनिटरी फिटिंग्स भी. Now let's first of all check out the first bedroom of this house. It's a very cozy one and it comes with this place over here for your wardrobes and this heightened bay window. Now usually bay windows काफी low lying होती हैं, but this one comes at a pretty good height over here and it comes with this sliding window which also comes with a mosquito net. But that's not it. It also comes with this safety grill which keeps it more secure as well. Now let's proceed towards the next bedroom of the house. This is the second bedroom of the house which comes with a bigger, comparatively bigger wardrobe space. And here is the window that again comes with this heightened bay window and sliding windows and also a pre-fitted mosquito net, and do not miss out on the safety grill over here. This bedroom comes with an attached toilet and bath right over here, and this one also comes with these anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and the CP sanitary fittings as well. Now let's take a look at the final room, that's the master bedroom. Master bedroom is pretty more spacious and the wardrobe space also is pretty bigger as compared to both the bedrooms. Here is the attached toilet and wash to this bedroom, which comes with again anti-skid tiles and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles as well. Now here I'm sitting and I'm enjoying the absolute beautiful views that come with the safety grill and the mosquito net. But before I leave, I would really like to ask you, what do you think about Majestic Landmarks? Have you seen any of their other projects? Have you seen our videos that we have made for Majestic Landmarks? Do let us know what is your experience with this particular developer in the comment section. Your views matter to us and to other viewers as well. Thank you so much. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project 38 Park Majestic located in Undri, Pune by Majestic Landmarks.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.